For today's video, I will be doing a close-up review as well as a try-on of the brand new Supreme Spring Summer 21 Waistbag, and today I have it in the black colorway, and this bag retails for $78, so I'm pretty sure that's the same retail that it was last season, so pretty affordable, and this is actually a really nice bag. Having it in hand, I'm a really big fan of it, so I'll show you all the features of it, and then I'll show you how it looks on a person later on in the video when I do a try-on for it, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And without wasting any time, let's get right into the review. Now, moving on to the close-up review of the waistbag, starting with the materials, it is a water-resistant Cordura fabric. Most Supreme bags, if not all of them, are made out of the Cordura fabric, and this one feels really nice compared to the past seasons. A lot of times it's just that basic backpack Cordura fabric material. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but most like JanSport backpacks are made out of it. It's just that feel, but this one has a lot better feel to it. It's like this nylon material and it feels really high quality, really durable in hand. Like I can't really see this ripping or tearing. Some of the Supreme bags would probably rip over time just because of how the material is, and the water resistance part does add a nice touch to it. So you can have perfect confidence bringing this in the rain. All your stuff inside won't get ruined just because it has that little bit of water resistance to it. So just something to keep in mind if you want to buy this bag. And moving on to the front of the bag, as you can see, it does say Supreme in black, and this is a clear material actually, so once I open the front pocket I will show you that it's clear. And moving on to the front zipper, it does have this plastic lining over it, and the best way I would describe this is if you had the Nike Tech Fleece stuff, this is what that zipper feels like. So this does just make the zipper a little more durable, so that's nice. Really high quality product from Supreme this season, so really happy to see that they've stepped up the quality of their bag. And here's the front pocket of the bag. As you can see, like I said, it is clear, so you can see my fingers in the back, and just make sure you don't put money in here or whatever, so people would see that you have money in here. So if you want to keep your stuff safe, definitely don't put something valuable in the front, as someone will be able to see it. And this pocket is fairly deep, pretty much half my hand fits in here, and I'll show you my phone inside of it just to give you a better size perspective. So here's my phone. It's the Galaxy, it's the newest Galaxy phone. I can't remember what it's called. They've kind of gone weird with the numbers. So this phone does not fit in there. So if you have a phone that's roughly this size, it will not fit in the front pocket. If you have like a normal iPhone or the normal Galaxy, which isn't the Plus version, it will probably fit in this pocket. But if you have the bigger phones, definitely will not fit in here. As you can see, even with the super slim case on it, it does not fit in the front pocket, so that's pretty disappointing. I would have liked to see this front pocket be a little bit bigger to accommodate a big phone like this. I think that would have been a good feature in case you want to put your phone in here. But if you have one of the bigger phones, it will not fit in the front pocket, so if you have a phone like this, make sure to keep that in mind. Both sides of the bag are pretty plain. There's nothing on them, so there's nothing to talk about. And then moving on to the back, there is a tag that says Cordura fabric just to advertise what the bag is made out of. And the back is completely plain, same material as the front. And here's the strap. It has a plastic buckle on it, and the strap is adjustable on both sides, it looks like. Now, moving on to the main compartment of the bag, there are two zippers, so I'm going to unzip that just to show you what's inside. And as you can see on the inside, it's pretty plain also. There is a middle divider flap, and this is made out of a mesh material. And the back part of the bag does have the Supreme print across it. Most of the Supreme bags have this somewhere within the bag. And then on the other side of the bag, it is just plain black Cordura fabric. So that is all that's on the inside of the bag. So it's pretty simple on the inside, so it'd be easy to access stuff. But if you have a bunch of stuff, there isn't that many organization options, so just keep that in mind. And here's my phone, same phone as before, and this one does fit inside the main compartment, so that's nice. So you could throw your wallet, your keys, your phone in here, and it'll all fit. So this bag is pretty small in my opinion, but it still does have enough space to fit all your phone, your keys, your wallet, anything you may need. So I could still see this being a good travel bag, something to easily access all your stuff while also keeping it secure so you don't lose it all. So that is it for the close-up review. It's a very simple bag, but it's still really nice in my opinion. And I think this is one of the better looking Supreme waist bags they've made within the last few seasons, and also definitely the best quality-wise. I really like how this feels in hand, and I think that will do really well for the value in the long run. So if you want to buy this, buy it now while you can get it for retail. And that is it for the close-up review. Now onto the try-on, so let's get right into it. That wraps up today's review of the Supreme Spring Summer 21 Waistbag. overall, it's a really nice bag. It has a really nice design in my opinion, and I'm a really big fan of the materials they use for this season's bags. I just think it's really durable and it'll hold up really well long term. And the only downside of the bag is it's smaller than some of the past ones. So I guess that could be a good thing for some of you if you wanted something a little more slim and doesn't take up as much space, because I know some of the other waist bags have been pretty bulky. Like I know the Spring Summer 20 bag was huge. You could fit multiple water bottles in there. That was definitely the biggest waist bag I've seen Supreme come out with. So this bag is definitely a nice size. It gives people options on which one they want to get, and I think this one will be pretty popular just because of the clean design and that compact size. It's not too bulky. So if you have only a couple things you want to carry, definitely pick up this season's bag just because it's not too bulky and it won't get in the way as some of the other ones would. So if you want something from Supreme that's a pretty good item to hold and you probably won't lose money on it, I would definitely recommend this waist bag in the black colorway. Historically, the black colorway has always done really well for the waist bags and you can't go wrong with it. Cheap retail at $78. So if you have the extra money laying around, definitely look into picking up one of those. Maybe try and double cart with something just to save on shipping. But overall, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll be posting Supreme videos all season long. So if you want to see those, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see when I upload those. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.